Alright, update on Solana. So what we're seeing right now is really not good. Let's talk about what's going on. On the Sol USD pair, you can see we're almost down 10% on the day. And the correction is not really the biggest deal. It's the fact that now we've broken below the last 786 Fibonacci that we've got. We've broken to the downside of this bear flag, and we're coming right down to where we previously triple bottom. Now, we talked about this the last time Solana went on a rally. You had your all-time high, 69% correction, triple bottom, and you were out of here. You had this correction over the course of like a week or so, and then, you know, like I said, we were just off to the races. What we're seeing right now is a triple bottom, an explosion, and now we're coming back down to retest the triple bottom. So bear in mind, I am a Solana bull. If you're a seasoned veteran to my channel, you know how much I love Solana. I hold Solana for the long term. My profile picture on this YouTube channel is a Solana NFT. If you click on my YouTube channel, the trash pandas, the raccoons, and the left side of my screen are also Solana NFTs. Solana makes up the biggest percent of my portfolio in terms of a single altcoin holding. So when I say this, bear in mind, this is coming from the mouth of a Solana bull. What we're seeing right now is extremely bearish. Backtesting this triple bottom is the worst thing we could have possibly done. We need to be absolutely out here in no period of time. Otherwise, in my opinion, Solana Summer is not going to be happening this year. Now, we've already had a pretty big blow off top for Solana. Coming back down to where we previously triple bottomed is not going to be a good sign, because if we break below this, then we do not have too much in terms of support other than your macro 786 Fibonacci down at $72. Now, it is possible we could come down quadruple bottom at the $72. If we extend this trend line, you could see perhaps we could come down to like 64 or something, but that is a huge drop from where we are right now at $84. We are really sitting on that last line of support for Solana. It is very unfortunate to say. Bear in mind, in my crypto YouTube channel, I try and be 100% transparent. I try and give you all of the signals exactly as they are. If I hold a cryptocurrency like Solana, I will let you know that I do hold it before I do my analysis, in order to be transparent and let you know that I am somewhat biased to Solana, because I do like it as a crypto. I believe it will succeed in the long term, so technically I'm slightly biased, but the analysis I give it from the most unbiased perspective as I can. Even if I love the crypto, if I see something bearish like what we're seeing right now, I will 100% let you know. And what we're seeing right now is very bearish. So once you're hearing that from a Solana bull, not what you want to see right now. Now, like I said, now is not the time to panic. Solana is already very cheap in the grand scheme of things, and I have just recorded a macro crypto update. Now, in this video, it's going to be my last upload today. I definitely recommend you watching this, because this is going to correlate to why Solana is dumping. Now, we're seeing Bitcoin dump. Bitcoin is following the stock market, which is following the dollar. The dollar's showing extreme strength right now, and your blue chip stocks are breaking down and making new lows. This is not what you want to see. The stock market and the general markets are absolutely terrible right now. So I think it is important, if you are just someone who comes for my crypto videos, that you do watch these total market updates. Obviously completely up to you. You can do your own research as well. That is completely fine. My thing is that if you're invested in crypto, I think you should learn how the stock market works, just so you can keep an eye on it and acknowledge that when you do have these macro swings to the downside in the stock market, it correlates to what goes on in crypto. So while crypto was looking good, while we were looking like we were setting up for Solana Summer, we might have to delay that mission. So like I said, a lot of this analysis that I'm going to do is going to kind of tie into what is going on in the total crypto market, so I would definitely recommend you watch that video. Solana by itself, there's not much to say other than the fact that we've come down to this triple bottom. I would really not want to see a breakdown below $80. A break below 80 would mean $72. If we break below 72, we can extend this trend line, expect maybe a move to 64. But yeah, looking at your squeeze mom, your momentum indicators, the bears are really picking up control. We recently reset the bearish momentum. We were in a bullish wave, bearish wave, reset momentum to the heart line, and now we're picking up bearish momentum again. If we look at Solana priced against Bitcoin, this is not good. We had a huge fall below the 0.5 Fibonacci, and while Solana looks much more macro bullish against Bitcoin than 99% of other altcoins, it is important to know that now we're below this 0.5 Fibonacci. It looks like we'll be coming all the way down to the 2019, which looks like it's about a 10% drop against Bitcoin. So I think for the next couple of weeks, the Bitcoin dominance is going to be, you know, it is going to be king. Bear in mind there is also a Fed meeting between the 3rd and the 4th, so I would personally not be looking to enter Solana or any altcoins while we are waiting for this Fed announcement. So I'm sitting on the sidelines for Solana. In my opinion, we could definitely go down a little bit further. While we are already completely beaten down to a pulp, it is important to know that the general markets are literally on their deathbed right now. So we could be about to witness a black swan event. I'm personally not planning on DCAing any more Solana. The last time we DCA'd was when we were down here. We had a triple bottom, we had a push up, we had a retest of $100, we DCA'd, and then that was the last time I DCA'd Solana. I'm going to be looking to sit on the sidelines and wait to play from a position of strength once we see a bottoming signal. I don't see that bottoming signal right now, so I'm not going to try and catch a falling knife on Solana while bearish momentum is accumulating back to the downside. That's all I've got for you today for Solana's video. Before we do wrap up the video, the Discord, the Cowboy Discord, has finally been made. The link will be in the description below. I hope to see you on the Discord. We've now got over 100 members where everyone is sharing memes, time-sensitive information, altcoin setups, and yeah, just chatting as a community. So hope to see you there. That's all I've got for you for Solana. As always, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion on the market. And as always, Cowboy out. Peace.